So we know that Governor Cooper is going to talk to President Trump in a video conference call later this afternoon.
As Natalie Brand reports, he and all the other governors around the country will be discussing guidelines about reopening the country.
Balance, you know. There's also death involved in keeping it closed.
President Trump expressed an urgency to reopen the country and says he will announce new guidelines today about how to ease restrictions in some areas.
We think some of the states can actually open up before the deadline of May 1st. And I think that will be a very exciting time indeed. Governors are looking forward. They're chomping at the bit to get going.
The rolling reopening will likely begin with 9 states that have fewer than 1,000 coronavirus cases, provided the governors there agree. But health experts warn it will only work if more testing is in place.
The success or failure of that rolling reentry program, as I call it, would be the capability of being able to test, identify, isolate, get someone who's infected out of circulation.
The president is also talking to lawmakers today as negotiations have stalled over adding money to the Paycheck Protection Program for small businesses. The program, which provides forgivable loans if businesses keep employees on the payroll, is now out of money. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin is negotiating with Democratic leaders for an additional $250 billion.
Telling people to stay home and not giving them the amount of money they need to support their family, buy their groceries, buy their essentials, and pay their rent would be a catastrophic mistake. And forcing everyone on unemployment would also be a bad mistake.
Democratic leaders have called for modifications to the program while also wanting more money for local governments and hospitals. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the White House.